In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Clickup Gantt chart. If you're managing projects, tracking progress, or planning out your workload, the Gantt chart is an invaluable tool to have in your arsenal. It visually represents your project timeline, showing start and end dates, dependencies between tasks, and overall project progress. ClickUp, as a comprehensive project management tool, offers one of the best Gantt chart experiences out there, and I'm here to guide you through it, so let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access ClickUp. Open up your preferred web browser and head to the official ClickUp website. This is your gateway to a more organized workflow. Once you're there, you are faced with the all-important task of logging in. To do this, locate the login option on the page. It's impossible to miss. Now the next step involves entering your credentials, starting with your email address. Click on the designated field and type it in carefully. It's crucial this information is accurate to ensure a smooth login process. It can be easy to make a typo, especially if you're in a hurry, but take your time. This is the key to accessing your ClickUp workspace after all. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is your personal key to your ClickUp universe, so make sure you type it in correctly. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's always a way to reset it, but let's hope it doesn't come to that today. Following the successful entry of your password, it's time to click on the Log In button. This action is what stands between you and your ClickUp dashboard, a realm where productivity meets efficiency. Once inside, you'll be greeted with the home or dashboard area of your specific ClickUp workspace. This area is your control center, from where you can navigate to different spaces, folders, or lists. For beginners, think of your workspace like a big house, and each room is a different project or area of work. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter, accessing the Gantt chart. To do this, navigate to the space, folder, or list you wish to view. This could be anything from a web development project to an editorial calendar. ClickUp is used across industries, so your specific use case might vary, but the process remains consistent. After you've selected your desired location, within ClickUp, look for the View option. This is where ClickUp really shines, offering various ways to visualize your tasks and projects. We're focusing on the Gantt chart today, but feel free to explore other views at your leisure. Upon clicking on View, you'll see several options pop up, but your target is the Gantt chart. Click on it to transform your task list or project into a beautiful, interactive timeline. This is where the magic happens, and you can begin to see the entirety of your project laid out before you. Once in the Gantt view, take a moment to orient yourself. You'll see your tasks along one axis and time along the other. Each task is represented by a bar, the length of which corresponds to the task's duration. You can click and drag these bars to adjust start and end dates, set dependencies by drawing lines between tasks, and much more. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Familiarize yourself with the layout first. Play around with zooming in and out to get both a granular and bird's eye view of your project. Adjusting the timeline to show days, weeks, or months will give you different perspectives on your workload and deadlines. ClickUp's Gantt chart is also a powerful tool for managing project dependencies. These are tasks that need to be completed in a specific order. By clicking and dragging from one task to another, you can easily set up these relationships. This visual representation can help you anticipate bottlenecks and identify critical paths, ensuring smoother project execution. Remember, the Gantt chart is not just a static picture of your project. It's a dynamic tool that lets you update task durations, adjust deadlines, and reassign work as your project evolves. This flexibility is crucial for staying on top of your projects and adapting to changes as they happen. In conclusion, the ClickUp Gantt chart is a powerful feature that can revolutionize the way you manage projects. It provides a visual timeline that helps you understand your project's scope, track progress, and identify areas of concern. By following the steps we've covered today, you'll be well on your way to mastering this incredible tool. Whether you're a project management veteran or new to the scene, ClickUp's Gantt chart has something to offer. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity.